Good morning, advisory students. This is Monday's advisory assignment, and the assignment is to be making a vision board. Just a couple of notes. Here's some advisory information. Reminder that we meet every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 8:10 to 8:42, and you have the link right here. Helpful hint here is to stay on top of your work. You will have something to do Monday through Friday, so if you miss a class, get it done as soon as possible. That's not just for advisory, but it is for all your classes as well. If you need to contact me, you can message me through Schoology message, typing in my name, and you can see the spelling here. You can always just do my last name, that would get you there. And you have my email, and that link is live. And then if you need any help with advisory or any of your other classes, I'm available in Google Meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8:46 to 1:46. Click here for the link. It's actually the same one you use for advisory. And also, I'm available on Google Meet on Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30, and there is the link for that one. Now, getting on to today's assignment with doing a 2021 vision board project. What is a vision board? A vision board is a collage of images and words representing a person's wishes or goals. A vision board is used to serve as inspiration or motivation. And so what you're going to be doing is creating a New Year vision board. You can use anything that inspires or motivates you. You can use anything that inspires or motivates you to create a vision board. It can be a combination of drawings, quotes, or photographs. And you can see here, this one was done on paper where they look like they used things from magazines. And if that is a way you want to do it, I'll mention that in a little bit. So first thing you're going to do for your vision board is to identify your wishes or dreams, then select images that represent those desires. This helps you focus and personalizes your board with specific messages that matter to you. So this is all about you and what are your hopes, dreams, your wishes for the future, specifically looking at 2021. So you're going to think about your values. What do you believe in? What's important to you? SMART goals. We wrote some of those earlier in the year. Family life. Health and wellness. What are things? How do you like to spend your free time? And then what do you want to learn or grow into during the new school year? So those are some things to think about for what you're going to put on your vision board. And this is an example. So you're going to see where it says sample. You'll take out sample and you'll put in your name. This person, happiness, make the most of your life, read more, write more, sleep more, dream more, surround yourself by positivity. You see all of these different things. Found some ways to kind of add some little details around the edge. This is my vision board. So this is what I came up with. I am going to try this year to eat better. And I enjoy gardening, especially with flowers. Being healthier by exercising. I also have an interest in photography, and so I want to do some more things with pictures and maybe even getting a camera besides my phone camera. Learning to breathe, to take a step back, breathe, and give myself time to think. And I have a gratitude journal that I want to remember to write in daily. In the gratitude journal, the idea is that in my journal to write 3 things that I'm grateful for each day. And then I also have a place to just kind of write how my day is going. And then I have just a couple of quotes. Laughter is an instant vacation. Kind of takes you away a little bit, and if you believe in yourself, anything is possible. So that's what I put on my vision board. Here is your template. You're going to type in your name here. This is your student template. It is for you to edit, resize the objects, add more items, or you delete whatever you don't want, insert your own images. Here you might type your quote or something that you want to do on any of these. You might replace this with an image. On mine, I did a lot of Googling and copying and pasting it on here. These are some stickers from the next slide, and I'll show you those. But you can use something like that. Here are the stickers. So what you would do is you'd click on the image, copy and paste it, and once you get it on your board, you can change the color, so you don't just have to do black and white. Also, you can move the thumbtacks onto any of yours. So this is going to be the page you'll work on. You will delete all of this once you're ready to go. Now, to get to your page, you are going to go into Schoology, Monday Schoology, click on the vision board due Friday, January 8th. So this, you'll have time to get it done. If you miss the live lesson, you will have this video to be able to watch and see what you need to do. Basically, you're going to open it up. You are going to click on the link. It's going to ask you to make a copy, and then you're going to rename it, and then you're going to share it with me. So what this looks like is clicking on this, make a copy. It takes a minute, and then up here in the corner, this is where the title of your project is. You're going to highlight, copy of, and then you will type in your name. Once you have done that, I want you to go to share, and you are going to share it with me. You know, you've got me when you got the picture, and you're going to send. This is how I'm going to grade yours. The slide that you have that you're going to work through is number 6. This is the slide that I was talking about that you guys can work with. And this is where, like I said, you can click on, what do I want? Paper airplane. I can copy. Oh. I'll do this one. Copy. And paste. Put it wherever I want. I can make it bigger. I can go up here to, where is it? Change the color. I can make it green. I can make it whatever color I want. And you can go from there. I can go on here and I can say, you know, to err is human. Maybe that's a quote that I want. I can Google and I can go through and I can do this. So that is what your 2020 vision board assignment is. Click this link, make the copy, rename, share it with me. It is due on Friday, January 8th. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Let me know if you have any questions.